fact, a first-class province with a wealth ratio that doesn't differ from the very rich to the very poor in the radical ways that it has elsewhere in the country. And that is, of course, because you have shared so much throughout the years. So thank you. Last but not least, I must give you thanks, of course, for the extraordinary support you've given to our film, the Made in Malacanang and the Martyr of Murder. Again, when I was looking at the international showing of these two movies, we first looked at the very large states such as California or New York, and yet, to my surprise and true delight, I discovered that the biggest ticket sales derived where else but from the Ilocanos of Hawaii. Thank you so much. I'm happy to tell you that all of that has gone to the revival of what you probably remember as the nutrition program of my mother and my father. Sino nakakaalala pa ng malalaking tinapay na pinibigay ng mga maestra natin kasama ng gatas? Iwan natin ulit dahil sa inyong suporta dyan sa Made in Malacanang. So now we've leveled up. It's not just one single one. They come in different flavors now, and we even have a Nutri-Bus. Buses that you can cook in and feed the children, because in many cases it's babies and teenage mothers who need additional supplementation. So thank you very much. Indeed, it's come a long, long way. I'm delighted to be here to finally visit you all in Hawaii. And it seems my old district, and that is the 2nd District of Ilocos Norte, is heavily represented, now more ably represented by Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba. With him, of course, are our mayors, led by our host mayor this noon, and that is Maxi Cahigal, my old partner in the Malacang Barangay. Also, we have, as I introduced earlier, Albert Chua of Batak. We also have Carly Abadilla. I think we forgot to mention, yes, Dr. Lina Abadilla. I think I forgot to mention there's a crew from Banna as well. Is that correct? I believe Mayor Gina Gillian is here, together with the ex-mayor and now Mia head, Eddie Gillian. Those from San Nicolas, Paul Hernandez representing his brother as vice mayor. And those from Dingras, no Jeffrey Sagid, as well as Erjo Valenzuela. We also have from Pasukin, Robert Aguinaldo. And furthermore, we have the big group from Bacara joining Mayor Nico de la Cruz. Purimao is also represented here, as I said earlier, by Mayor Boyan. We have Mayor Tony Mariano of Marcostown. We also have Mayor Fidel Sibatu Jr. of Bangi and the Windmill. And from Pawai, naturally, we have both Mayor Jesse Galano and Sheila, now our mayor as well. So I think I've mentioned more or less everyone who's here. And the two Delaras are here as well, Joseph and Jonas Delara. So from Solsona. So I think this is probably the largest group of mayors to come to Hawaii at one go, although I know that they've been far ahead of me in sneaking off to see you all. So I'm very, very pleased that finally we're all here together to show you the respect, the honor, the importance we give to the Ilocano communities in Hawaii. This is a symbol of our great esteem for what you have done for the province. and for the country indeed. Thank you so much. So truly, sang-sang kami sa tayong mga pamilya, dito'y Hawaii, ito'y Ilocos, ita agnanayon. Nandito dito, aking ganan ita, Marcos Lata.